Family members of the victim of the Kolkata rape and murder case have now said that they were forced to record a confession on camera, claiming that they were not offered any money by the Kolkata Police Department. Now, this statement comes on the heels of their previous allegations that they were bribed by the Kolkata police. A couple of days back, the family members of the deceased doctor alleged that Kolkata police officials offered them money to hush the case after the death of their daughter. Following this, the ruling Trinamool Congress government in West Bengal released an old video purportedly of the victim's family, where they claim that they were not being offered any bribe. After the video went viral, the family members revealed that they were forced to shoot the video by the Kolkata police a couple of days after the rape and murder of their daughter. The family also alleged that the police appeared to be covering the case right from the start. Now, that's the big allegation that has been made by the family members, the parents of the girl who was raped and murdered. Now, this comes in wake of the questions that have been raised by the TMC of the family that initially there was a video that had been shared by the TMC government saying that catching them, saying that the police did not force them to take money and make a statement, after which there has been a refusal on the part of the family members, the parents, that they were in fact given, they were in fact being offered money by the Kolkata police to stay silent. All right, I have with me Jyotirmay Singh. He's Jyotirmay Singh Mahato. He is Member of Parliament, BJP. Jyotirmay Singh, how do you view this latest shocking development? The parents initially on the video saying that they were not forced to take money from the Kolkata police, that Kolkata police did not offer them money to keep quiet in this case, and now coming up with a counter that they were in fact being paid or offered to be paid by the Kolkata police to stay silent in this entire matter.
सर, मैं आपके माध्यम से आपके चैनल में जितने दर्शक हैं सबको बताना चाहता हूं और बंगाल के 10 करोड़ जो जनता है उनको मैं बोलना चाहता हूं। मैं कल सीबीआई डायरेक्टर को मैं एक चिट्ठी भी दिया था इस मैटर में जो आप अभी चर्चा कर रही हो। इसमें क्या है कि कोलकाता पुलिस के जो सेंट्रल डीसी है इंद्राणी मुखर्जी, ये जो पुलिस कमिश्नर के इशारे में वहां उनके घर में जाना, उन घर वालों को, विक्टिम्स के घर वालों को जो कहना है कि पैसा का ऑफर किया गया था कि आप मुंह बंद रखो और सादा कागज में आप सिग्नेचर कर दो। इसका मतलब क्या है? एक पुलिस अफसर का काम क्या है? पुलिस अफसर का काम है सबूत इकट्ठा करना और जो दोषी है, रेपिस्ट है, मर्डरर है, उसको सजा दिलवाना। ऐसा ना करके उनको बचाने का प्रयास किया। ये कोलकाता पुलिस का कि इतना दिन का जो एक गौरव था, उस गौरव को कालिका लिफ्ट करने का प्रयास किया। अभी आपका पुलिस कमिश्नर है और उसका जो सेंट्रल डीसी है, मैं चाहता हूं कि जल्द से जल्द इन लोगों के ऊपर भी कार्रवाई हो और इन लोगों को भी हिरासत में लेके पूछताछ किया जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि इसके ऊपर इन किसके हाथ है। आप सीधा बात है कि बंगाल के जो होम मिनिस्टर है उनका डायरेक्ट इशारा है इस सब में। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि जल्द से जल्द सीबीआई इसका जांच करके और इन लोगों को हिरासत में लेना चाहिए।
Okay, stay on with me, Jyotirmay Singh Mahato, because I also have with me Swayam Prakash Purohit, or the TMC spokesperson, Swayam Prakash Purohit. The question that is being raised by the BJP, that there is involvement allegedly of the TMC, the Kolkata police is hand in glove with the TMC trying to hush up the case. It's an alleged cover job where allegations being made by the parents of this girl herself, that they were forced to record a statement on camera by the Kolkata police that they were not being offered money by the Kolkata police to stay quiet in this case.
Actually, the things are that when the things had happened, the parents are in deep trouble, and after the Nirbhaya case के बाद में क्या हुआ कि निर्भया केस में जो 2013 का आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट पढ़िए, उसमें क्लियर कहा गया है कि कहीं भी अगर रेप और बलात्कार की घटना होती है तो जो दोषी आरोपी है, राज्य सरकार उनको जो भी उनके जो 10 लाख रुपए तक के पैसे देने की बात की जाती है। यही बात है। अगर आप उसको ब्राइब बोल रही है तो ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट को बोलना चाहिए कि वो ब्राइब है। लेट सुप्रीम कोर्ट से समथिंग अबाउट दैट।
यहाँ पे तो एलिगेशंस लेके जा रहे हैं कि जो पुलिस है उन्होंने बोला कि आप पैसे ले लीजिए, आप एक खाली पेपर पे साइन कर दीजिए और इस मैटर को रफा दफा कर दीजिए।
नहीं, ये एलिगेशन अगर किसी ऑफिसर ने अगर ऐसा किया है तो अभी तो देखिए नंबर 1 कि सीबीआई के पास में जांच है, सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन इस विषय की जांच कर रही है। पिछले 3 हफ्ते हो गए, 3 हफ्ते से ज्यादा हो गए। अभी 9 तारीख को इस केस की सुनवाई है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट से और सीबीआई ने यह कह दिया कि एक ही व्यक्ति ने, संजय राय मुख्य आरोपी है। 12 घंटे में कोलकाता पुलिस ने उस मुख्य आरोपी को गिरफ्तार किया। सीबीआई और
Yes, absolutely. Yes, those are the developments that have happened. But Swayam Prakash Purohit, I would like to ask you the question: why has a TMC leader come out and said that he has released this video saying that the parents have said on camera that the Kolkata police did not pay them money, there was no money offered to them to stay quiet in the case, and is this then a question being raised on the TMC, support being given, protection being given to the Kolkata police despite their very apparent involvement in the case?
इन्वॉल्वमेंट देखिए, मुख्य आरोपी तो संजय राय है इस केस का, जिसका डीएनए मैच हो चुका है और चार्जशीट
was the Kolkata police, were the officials of the Kolkata police trying to protect him?
सुनिए, कलकत्ता जब ये दुर्घटना, जघन्य अपराध हुआ, ममता बनर्जी जो हमारी मुख्यमंत्री है और गृह मंत्री भी है पश्चिम बंगाल की, उन्होंने खुद संज्ञान लिया। वहां के जो एसीपी है, जिनके अंडर में जांच चल रही, उनको तुरंत बर्खास्त किया गया और मुख्य जो चीफ कमिश्नर ऑफ कलकत्ता है विनीत गोयल, उन्होंने इनकी इस चीज की कार्रवाई को आगे बढ़ाया और मुख्य आरोपी को गिरफ्तार किया।
But why is this TMC leader trying to protect the Kolkata police, raising questions on the parents of the girl?
No, parents actually, the things are what happening in social media. Even Supreme Court has said about that. What the postmortem has been done in social media, 28 days has been went, 29 days, and every day new false story has been raising in social media and media. You have heard the video and audio clips of, and the parents has denied that audio clip ran by ABP News, TV9, Republic Bharat, all the TV channels and social media even, and that has been from the parents.
What the parents today are saying is that the video that had been recorded by the Kolkata police that was released in public was in fact a pressure that had been put on the parents, forcing them to make this statement. That's what the family has said today.
I can't say anything about that forcing. Why Calcutta police will force them to record a video, and why any person can record a video?
That's the question. That's the question.
His daughter.
So are you saying that the parents are lying in front of the public today?
I don't know who is doing postmortem in this. He is in pain. They are in pain. And we are with them. We have offered the 10 lakh rupees, what CM has said about the 10 lakh rupees is the Supreme Court order of 2013 Nirbhaya case.
I'm asking you very straightforward, direct questions. You're not able to answer me. Why has this TMC leader released this video where the parents are being heard saying that we have not been offered any money from the Kolkata police? And now, days after that video was circulated by this TMC leader, the family members say that in fact there was pressure from the Kolkata police for them to record this statement and also sign on a blank sheet of paper so that there was a purported job of the Kolkata police to cover up this entire matter.
मेगा जी मैं एक बात बोलूंगा, ये मामला वी वांट जस्टिस, पूरा पश्चिम बंगाल की 11 करोड़ जनता वी वांट जस्टिस की बात कर रही है। मामला पेरेंट्स के पिता माता की मैं बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, उनके साथ पूरा राज्य खड़ा है। इवन हमारी मुख्यमंत्री उनके घर में गई। आप पूरे देश में एक नजीर बताइए कि कहीं जघन्य अपराध होता है और उस राज्य का मुख्यमंत्री उनसे मिलने जाता है।
So why is the TMC leader releasing these releasing these false videos? Has there been any investigation made into it? Has he judiciously looked at what the scenario was on the night of the murder that took place? Did he check, was the Kolkata police in fact involved, forcing these people to make such a statement? Was any of these things cross-checked before the leader decided to release the video?
And there is some fake videos are running in social media about that. There are so many fake videos are there.
Has the TMC leader released without any thought a false video, a fake video of the family members?
You are asking me the question about the original video. The video original is in the social media platform and in Calcutta police also itself. But you are not asking any question to BJP person Suvendu Adhikari. You are not asking
my specific.
Just a minute.
I will ask all the questions to all the leaders and to all the spokespersons of all political parties. My focus. No. Now you're wanting to divert from the topic that we are discussing and then raising questions of why I am not asking the BJP or why I am not asking XYZ party. So just to escape from this question, it is a direct question every single citizen in this country would be asking and wondering what happened. Why did this TMC leader release that video when the parents are coming out and saying that in fact it was the Kolkata police that forced them to sign on a blank sheet of paper and say on camera that the Kolkata police did not force them. To make that statement.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.